Guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be setting up my February bullet journal, and this is my first plan with me video. And for the cover page I am going to be writing the word February with my large tipped brush pen. So as you can see, I am done with writing the word, and now I am going to be adding hearts in the background. There's a very easy way to add hearts. The only thing is you have to turn your brush upside down and add a little pressure to it. Make sure that you are not adding too much pressure so that the ink does not flow way too much and it ruins your paper. So keep that in mind. Now I am done with making my hearts, and now I am adding a bit 3D-ness to the word February, and it's a very simple way, just follow along. So the first step is to add a black line with any marker, sketch pen or any gel pen. Just add a line where there is a downstroke and choose a side, whether you are going to do this on the right side of each letter or the left side of each letter. So after adding that line, you can just add another line with between 2-3 millimeters gap and make it as the way it is seen in the video, and it will add it a 3D look. It is not much visible in the camera, but in real life it looks really good. Adding the 3D-ness, you can also color the 3D part in, or you could just freehand draw the hearts with a black pen. That would also look good, but for me simple and minimalistic is the best. So moving on to my second spread, which is a habit tracker, which is basically a monthly calendar in which you can just color in the day you have done a certain task, and it's a great way to track your life and how much you are doing and how much you are sticking to your yearly resolutions. I've also made a little rose floral doodle over here because our theme for the month is Valentine's Day, so I will be adding a little doodles here and there. All the materials I have used will be written in the description box, so if you are interested you can check. You could also write the dates inside the box. I have have chosen to not do that for this month because I had done that for the last month and it didn't quite suit well for me. So you can always try whatever suits best for you. And don't be afraid to try different styles or different trackers for different things. The more you try, the more you experience, the best you'll find for yourself. Moving on to my next spread, which is going to be the mood tracker. You can also make the individual box and you can just add lines in there. A mood tracker is basically a great thing for everybody, and it tracks how what is your mood on certain days. And for this month I have made a jar which contains multiple hearts, and I'm going to color it according to the way I'm feeling the certain day. And inside the hearts I have made little number markings inside them which depict a day in the month. So 28 hearts for 28 days. Below the jar is my key for the month, and there are 6 moods and 6 different colors that depict a mood. And my mood tracker is complete. Moving on to the next spread, which is my gratitude log. A gratitude log is basically every day you just come at the end of the day and you're filling in whatever you were grateful for that day. And I think it's a really great way to count your blessings and to be happy in general. Made a rose doodle over here at the side. Down over there I have made a YouTube tracker. If you have a channel, this is great for you. You can just track the number of views or number of subscribers if you want to. So I am trying this for the first time this month. Moving on to the first weekly spread of the month February, I have decided to make hearts and color it in with watercolor and then outlining it and then writing the numbers inside them. I thought this was a cute way, so I hope you guys like it too. And I don't have watercolor, so I have used a cheap alternative, which is basically using your own brush pens as watercolor and making different shades with them as per how much water you add in them. So if I had a lot of water into it, it becomes like lightish pink, or if I don't add too much water into it, it stays red. So that depends on you. I am going to be making a tutorial soon on how to use your brush pens as watercolor for making backgrounds for quotes. So that video will be in much detail. So if you're looking forward to do this, you should also look forward to that video. Make sure that your sketch pen and your watercolor do not smudge together. Now I am just writing the days of the week with my Tombow Fudunosuke hard tip brush pen. I have done a comparison video between the soft tip and the hard tip, so make sure to check that. I have also decided to write a quote in the space left below, and the quote I have chosen for this month is self-love first, because I think that self-love is really important. Now I'm just going to write the dates inside all of the hearts with my black Faber-Castell sketch pen. And now the last spread is complete, and this is my final flip through. This is my cover page, my habit tracker, my mood tracker and my gratitude log, and also the weekly setup of the first week of February. So thank you a lot guys for watching this, and I hope you give it a big thumbs up, a like, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye, see you in my next video.